it's taken me so long to set this video up. I'm normally in the same room all the time, so I don't need to move anything, but I wanted it to be Christmassy, so I've come into my bedroom. Hello and welcome to my channel. So today is like a little bit of an announcement and a little bit of a sneak peek, and just basically me talking about what is happening here on my channel and on all my social medias throughout December. So if you would like to find out what is going to be happening this December on my YouTube channel and my social medias, then please keep watching. So this video is basically like my Halloween video I did, where I gave you a sneak peek, talked to you about what was going to be happening and all things like that. So as you know from the title, I'm going to be doing the 25 days of Christmas on this channel, or hopefully on this channel, but definitely on my Instagram. This is very similar to what I did in October. In October, every day of October, I uploaded a Halloween look onto my Instagram, but I didn't do the full month on YouTube. I just uploaded a lot of tutorials, but not the quite 31 days. And the response on that, I've said thank you in videos already, but I just want to say a massive thank you again, because that was insane, the reaction I had from it. I'm just very, very thankful, so thank you. But basically, I'm going to be doing the same this December, every day up until Christmas Day, even including Christmas Day. If you have been subscribed to me for a while, then you would know that last year I did attempt to do Vlogmas, and some of you might know that it didn't go well. I was in a very difficult place last year. There was a lot going on, and I knew I wanted to do something around Christmas so bad, but I just didn't know what. And because a lot of other people do Vlogmas, I was like, oh well, I'll just do Vlogmas. I've now realised for me that it's just not for me, especially at that time in my life. A lot was going on and I just wasn't ready. Like, mentally was not ready, was not in the right headspace. It just ended badly, and I would be lying if I said that that still doesn't play on my mind, because I'm a massive perfectionist, and if I say I'm going to do something and don't complete it, it's just very hard for me to get over. So hopefully I can make it up this year. This year I'm not going to be doing Vlogmas. I'm going to be uploading makeup looks instead and makeup tutorials, because I feel like it's more me, it's what I love, and I just feel like it will go with this channel more than a Vlogmas would. Today is Thursday the 29th of November, and as of now I'm already halfway through my Christmas makeup looks. If you didn't know, for Halloween I had been doing them looks all year round, because I had a bad experience the year before where my skin just reacted crazy. I ended up having to go to the doctors a few times because of it, and I didn't want that to happen again. I knew that I was going to be doing Halloween this year, so I had planned them looks throughout the whole year, but I had no idea that I'd be wanted to do Christmas like this. So I had nothing prepared, literally until day before Halloween. I was like, I'm gonna do it for Christmas as well. But I was away for 3 weeks, so literally the day after I came back, I've been creating these looks. So I must admit, this has been a little bit of a challenge for me, because I'm so used to doing scary makeup or Halloween themed makeup when I'm doing full face like character makeup. But I wanted to make sure that this Christmas series, it is not going to be scary or anything like that. It's going to be Christmas themed. So if you're going to any Christmas parties and you want to dress up, then these looks will be perfect for you. I feel like I'm rambling and going from back and forth like in this video. As I said, I have not completed all the looks yet, and I haven't even began to look at the photos, edit them, or edit the videos. So I'm just really, really hoping that I can get all this done. But if I miss a day, I'm really, really sorry. But I do promise on my Instagram there will be 25 makeup looks. I hope this video wasn't too rambly or anything, but if you are interested, I'll be uploading a Christmas themed makeup look every day on my Instagram and hopefully on my YouTube channel. I say every day, that is from the 1st of December to the 25th of December. If you are not following me on my Instagram, then make sure you are. My handle is @brooke.ellis_. It is linked in the description of all my videos. I'll have it on the screen here as well. And if you do follow me on there, please make sure you turn on your post notifications, because I've had a lot of people recently say that they haven't been seeing my posts in their feed. If you don't really want to have an extra notification come up on your phone, then make sure to go on my Instagram, like my photos and comment and save them. Then Instagram knows that you like my stuff and you want to see it, and it's meant to come in your feed a lot more. That goes for the same here on YouTube. If you want to see my YouTube tutorials that are coming up, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and you can also turn on the notification bell there as well. So if you would like to see a little sneak peek of what is coming up this December, then keep on watching. That is my little sneak peek. I really hope you like this Christmas. It's going to be very different for me because I'm normally very Halloween focused. Love to hear your opinions on it, and like this video to let me know that you are looking forward to this Christmas series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.